Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to build Apache NetBeans 16 IDE from its source code in Windows 10 operating system using Apache Ant 1.10 and Java 11. So Apache NetBeans is a very popular IDE. You can build this Apache NetBeans by your own using its source code. So here you can see that I have already downloaded NetBeans 16 source code here. As a zip file I have downloaded. So I am going to extract the archive. So NetBeans is a open source project. So NetBeans is a very popular IDE among the Java developers. Let me extract the source code to this directory. So make sure that you have a fast internet connection so that all the jar files will be downloaded. So here you can see that build.xml is there. Build.xml is the basic building block. So this build.xml will be calling multiple submodules. So before building, you can see that I have already installed Ant 1.10. Let me show you the Windows path variable. So I have added Ant bin directory and Java 11 bin directory to the Windows path variable. So this is my setting. So that Ant and Java commands will be available in the command line. So now let us go inside the source code in command line. So as I already told you, make sure that build.xml is present. So build.xml is the basic building block of the Ant project. It contains lot of tasks and targets. Okay, just type the command and that's it. So it will pick up the build.xml and it will start building the NetBeans project. So NetBeans project is successful now. So you can see that NetBeans IDE, NetBeans 16 IDE is built in your own machine. So I am highlighting the output directory. So NetBeans can be found inside the directory called nbbuild. Okay, let me go to the directory nbbuild. You can see under nbbuild NetBeans directory is created. See here, this is a directory structure of NetBeans IDE, which is got built. So you can see the exe files for Windows. Then all the modules of NetBeans IDE are built successfully. So this is a little bit long build, might take some time. So everything is built successfully. All the modules of NetBeans 16 IDE is built successfully. So you can copy this directory separately. You can copy this entire NetBeans directory separately and you can start the NetBeans IDE on your own. So finally, we have built Apache NetBeans 16 IDE on Windows 10 operating system.